Daniel, is
I'm
there
in charge of shooting, you know.
is there an arrow on your screen? If there is, follow the arrow.
Dude,
Jake.
I'm gonna run.
Okay, go to see the green arrow. Go to there and
Dude,
go to
Jake's
Flint's
driving.
ship.
I can't drive. I can only shoot.
Oh, sorry. Jake, go to Flynn's ship. Or you can crash.
Jakey.
What the heck?
Oh,
Okay, at the end of the video, I have the joke of the day, which is going to be, yeah, I think pretty good. So,
Jakey, first step of flying, don't crash.
well, number one lesson of flying, never freaking shoot your own plane somehow. Stupid idea. Jake, what the crap are you doing, dude? Jake, I do this all. Jake, follow the yellow. Oh wait, you only shot one guy down. You're kidding me.
That's because Jake's not steering properly.
I know.
I'm trying to shoot someone. Jakey, go up! I can't aim.
Okay, guys, I have an idea. How about you just this is pretty much the best idea I've ever had. Let's start from chapter 1.
Start.
Okay?